In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make icon using proper grid in Figma. Material icon. Start by opening your design file in Figma. Create the canvas your icon will live on by selecting the frame tool with the F key. Click and drag on the canvas while holding Shift to make a perfect square, or simply set the width and height to 24 pixels in the right sidebar. This 24 by 24 frame is the standard for material icons. In the Layers panel, give the frame a clear name like Icon Grid so it's easy to find later. With the frame selected, add a layout grid from the Design panel by clicking the plus icon next to Layout Grid. Open the grid settings and make sure the type is set to grid. Then set the size to 1. This creates a 1 pixel grid inside the frame, which is essential for perfect alignment and crisp edges at small sizes. For even more precision, enable Snap Settings. Go to the main menu, open Preferences, and make sure Snap to Pixel Grid, Snap to Geometry, and Snap to Objects are all checked. These options help your shapes and path lock exactly where they should without drifting off the grid. Next, add the material key shapes to use as visual guides. Set the stroke or line width to 0.2 pixels so the guides stay light and non-intrusive. Using the Shape tools, press O for ellipse to draw an 18 by 18 pixel circle. Then center it inside the frame, so T here is 3 pixels of padding on each side. Press R for rectangle to create an 18 by 18 pixel square and center it as well. Add 2 more rectangles. One 16 by 20 pixels for a portrait proportion, and one 20 by 16 pixels for a landscape proportion. And center both. These keylines help you maintain consistent curves, corners, and proportions. Now design your icon using the pen tool with P, or by combining basic shapes. Keep snapping on, align to the keylines, and use a stroke weight of around 0.2 pixels for a cohesive material look. Keep your primary details inside the live area, which is the inner 20 by 20 pixels, leaving a 2 pixel buffer on all sides of the 24 by 24 frame. You can set the opacity of these guide shapes to a low value, 10%, so they don't interfere with your actual icon design when you are happy with the design. Select all the elements and use Union Selection from the toolbar to merge them into a single shape. Finally, turn it into a reusable component with Ctrl+Alt+K or CMD+Option+K. So you can create instances across your projects. Thanks for watching.